Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is NOCO Noco GB550. I'm gonna turn it from in the back. This is how it look like. And what happened is it worked, but unfortunately, if you try to this button, one of those buttons, this button work. For the light, on and off switch for the light is working, but this one here, it doesn't work. No matter what we did, it doesn't work. And this is the one that for the jumper, right?
Yeah,
if you need to jump the cable, this is the one for the jumper. So we are trying to see if we'll be. You see this on and off. So it doesn't work. If we jump it, look here. If we jump it now, you're gonna see something gonna happen. See, one is on. Now it's on. Again, it's off. This is our problem. So we try to get this this pin. I have a micro switch here. I bought them couple of years ago. We are trying to see which one is gonna work at least, so that we can use it here. We may not get a bigger like this, but we can get something almost near to it, right? So let me desolder it first. Okay, hold like this. I'm gonna get this piece here. I'm gonna show them this one, the wall cut solder, this solder. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn this one.
And there's a thermal control solenoid.
Yeah, now it's on. I'm gonna wear something different now. I'm gonna wear this, so that I have to be at least not only with glasses. I need to get a bigger one. Sometimes it could be good, just everything good on it, but you need to solder it more. Sometimes not yet, right?
It's not hot yet.
Yeah, that's right. Why not just put? Why not just put a box here, and then maybe it's gonna work? Who knows? You're gonna put this a little bit here.
The flux.
Yeah, flux here. Flux is good to help.
Brother.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the flux, clear it, and see if I will be able to. Maybe need only solder, who knows? Yeah, this is no good.
Well, you have that 650, the temperature is 650. Maybe you want to put the temperature up a little, maybe. No, but
Brother, I'm prayed.
Say it again. Say it again, brother. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, you want to pray? There is a musla in the back, brother.
Okay,
What is that? I don't know why he don't want to. Always when I try to open it, I need to go up to 9 feet. Okay. That's going down, right? Or going up?
that's good now.
Okay, let me see. This is down, right? I don't know. Stays there. Don't go farther. You see? It's supposed to work.
Is it hot? The tip is hot.
It's going down. I don't know why. it's going down there. No, that place going down.
Well, the temperature is dropping.
Oh, it's off. Now let me see now. Look there, it's going up. But I want it to go all the way to 8. Yes, but 6 is not good.
That's too cool. 850. I think you need at least 950.
Yeah. No, 850 is a loss.
Is it?
You see, now it's going. Now it's gonna be hot. You're not sure. You're not. Okay, now we're gonna see here. It's gonna be hot this bit. You see? Mm-hmm. I'll go up a little bit. We don't have number for this switch.
There's the number really right below it.
We're gonna get it. If we don't, we have to buy this. You see? That's very big one.
No, that look like the same size.
It's the same size, but the pin is the top is the pin here is very. So now I gotta turn it off first. You know what happened? I'm gonna show you something. You don't need that one. We can just get if we can get this. Okay, if not, we're gonna get 2 wire. Take it out for you. You connect it out in and out also as a spare. But I'm gonna try to put this. Give me the light.
Let's which one?
We're gonna see which one can go because you cannot reach the pins. The one I have, even this one,
No, that one is too small. Try that one with the red.
This one is good, but it's very short. This one is good, but it's very short. Yeah, it's gonna be short.
Yeah, but don't forget the touchpad has a spring. The touchpad.
I don't have no problem if you can reach there. I'm very
reach?
happy. If you're reaching this good, you good? You do the video?
Yep, I got it.
No. Yeah?
That momentary switch made up
Yeah,
the one.
it worked now.
It's working? It's not working.
Yeah,
Yep, it's good.
yeah, it worked.
So now we're in action. We got it going here. Mohammed
Yeah.
got it going.
It worked
See,
now.
you can see the indicator lights are on right now.
Now you have no problem, and then off. The only thing is I gotta be sure that I gotta add some
Some more solder.
Some more solder. Because that you gotta do it too.
I think the only difference is this one is a little thicker.
That was longer.
Yeah.
Just a little longer. Yes. Don't play with it. Why you have to send it back? That's it.
Yeah. Well, maybe all I can do is put a little bit of silicone. All right. So go ahead, complete the video.
Okay, this one is done. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostics.